Most people think a SpaceX IPO would make them rich overnight. But what if waiting for the IPO is actually the biggest mistake investors can make? Every few months, rumors about a SpaceX IPO spread across the internet. Thousands of people believe they just need to wait for the big day. Year after year, investors keep asking the same question. When will SpaceX finally go public? Here's the first surprise. SpaceX isn't a public company, so regular investors simply can't buy its shares on the stock market. Instead, private investors, venture capital firms, and company insiders get most of the opportunities. Ordinary people usually stay outside the gate. SpaceX raises money differently. Instead of selling shares to the public, it raises billions through private investment rounds. Despite staying private, SpaceX has become one of the world's most valuable companies. Its value keeps growing without ever having an IPO.
So why doesn't SpaceX simply become a public company? The answer is much more interesting than most people realize.
Building rockets takes years of planning. Public companies often face pressure to deliver results every 3 months. By staying private, SpaceX can focus on long-term goals instead of short-term stock prices. And that's where the real story begins. Running a public company means answering investors every 3 months. That can distract leaders from projects that may take 10 or 20 years to succeed. Public companies live on quarterly reports. Investors constantly judge whether profits are growing fast enough. Space exploration doesn't work on Wall Street's schedule. Rocket development often requires years of testing, failure, and improvement. For SpaceX, failure is often part of learning. A failed rocket today can lead to a better rocket tomorrow.
Stock markets don't always reward patience. Sometimes they punish companies simply because expectations weren't met.
By staying private, SpaceX has more freedom to experiment. It doesn't need to impress the stock market every single day.
Many employees still own shares. Sometimes they can sell those shares during special private transactions approved by the company.
Some private shares are traded behind the scenes. But these deals are usually available only to qualified investors. As SpaceX becomes more valuable, more investors want a chance to own a piece of it. That growing demand fuels even more excitement. Here's the twist most people miss. A SpaceX IPO may not happen for many years, or perhaps not until the company believes it has achieved its biggest long-term goals.
Many people think buying on IPO day guarantees easy profits, but IPO prices can already be extremely expensive before ordinary investors get a chance to buy.
When a famous company finally goes public, excitement spreads everywhere. Sometimes that excitement pushes prices much higher than the company's true value. History shows that not every popular IPO becomes an instant success. Some companies soar, while others struggle after the excitement fades. Successful investing is often about patience, not chasing headlines. The biggest winners usually think in years instead of days. The real lesson isn't whether SpaceX has an IPO tomorrow. It's understanding why great companies sometimes choose long-term progress over short-term market attention.
Although you can't easily buy SpaceX shares, some investors gain indirect exposure through funds or companies that have invested in SpaceX.
But it's never as simple as buying the company itself.
Whenever a company becomes famous, scammers often take advantage of the excitement. Always verify investment opportunities before sending money anywhere. Fear of missing out makes people ignore risk. Smart investors follow a plan instead of chasing excitement. Instead of focusing only on an IPO, look at what SpaceX is actually building. Its technology and long-term vision are what make the company valuable. Whether SpaceX goes public next year or 10 years from now, the biggest lesson remains the same. Great investing isn't about chasing headlines.
It's about understanding the business behind them. Could SpaceX eventually become a public company? Absolutely, but only when the company believes the timing supports its long-term mission.
An IPO could happen after major milestones are achieved. The company may simply want to wait until its biggest projects become more mature. Even if SpaceX eventually goes public, that doesn't guarantee the stock will only go up. Public markets can be unpredictable.
A great company doesn't always mean a great investment. The price you pay matters just as much as the business itself.
The biggest investing mistake isn't missing one opportunity. It's making emotional decisions because everyone else seems excited.
Successful investors ask better questions. They focus on research, patience, and understanding before investing. Wealth usually grows the same way this plant does: slowly, consistently, and with patience.
The real story was never just about an IPO. It was always about building one of the world's most ambitious companies.
Remember these 4 words: research, patience, discipline, and long-term thinking. Those lessons matter far more than any single IPO.
If this video helped you understand the truth behind the SpaceX IPO, leave a like and subscribe for more simple explanations of finance, business, and investing. And remember, don't just follow the hype. Understand the story behind it. See you in the next video.